Understanding the phrase, guard up. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, guard up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but also know how to use it in various contexts. In a physical sense, to have one's guard up often refers to a protective stance. Think of a boxer who raises their hands to shield themselves from incoming punches. They're literally putting their guard up to defend themselves. More commonly, guard up is used in a figurative sense. When someone has their guard up, it means they are being cautious or defensive, especially in emotional or social situations. This might be because they've been hurt in the past or are wary of getting hurt in the present. For example, if someone says, "Ever since that breakup, she's had her guard up," it means that the person has become more cautious or reserved in romantic relationships because of a past hurtful experience. To help you grasp the concept further, let's look at a few examples. 1. After being cheated in business, he always had his guard up when making deals. 2. She doesn't open up easily. She always has her guard up around new people. 3. It's hard to get to know him. He keeps his guard up. Understanding synonyms can further clarify the meaning. Some synonyms for having one's guard up include being on the defensive, being wary or cautious, keeping one's walls up. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, having your guard up doesn't always mean being in a boxing ring. In daily English, it often refers to being cautious or protective, especially emotionally. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning and see you in the next one.